of us to make cookies with. Great! Let's get started. Spread out the dough. Now choose one of the letters A. E. Like in enchilada. A. E. A. Let's add icing and topping. Wow! Chef Elmo thinks that looks good. Oh! Look at all the different color icings you can choose. Do you want to try more icings? Okay, Chef, now here's the best part. Elmo can't wait to share our cookie yard. Tap the cookies to eat them yourself, or drag them to share with Cookie Monster.
Cookie, cookie, cookie. Cookie, cookie, cookie. Yeah. Okay, who do you want to make cookies with? Hey, little chef, you help me make some more delicious word cookies? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's get started. What word cookie, you ask? You never guess. It's cookie made out of a word. Huh? Me show you. P. T. Now you, to make word, drag one of your letter cookie cutters here. It. Pit. Now use little chef fingers to mix cookie letters together and... Oh boy, me no can wait. Oh, holy cannoli! It cookie in shape of pit. Oh boy, we need 4 yummy word cookies to fill the cookie shelf. Come on, little chef, let's make more. This dough, here me go. P. T. U-turn. Pot. Come to cookie. Magnifique. It pot. Okay, how about this? B. T. Now you. Bat. That's terrific mixing. Holy cannoli! It cookie that look like bat. This dough, here me go. B. T. Now you. Bit. Come to cookie. It work. It bit. Hey, who bit the cookie? Was it you bit cookie? Oh boy. Cookies look so yummy. Me no can wait to taste. We work hard and now reward. We have cookies for every word. You can eat cookies yourself by tapping on it. But why you want to do that? Yeah. So drag cookies over to me. Pit. Nom nom. Pot. Nom nom. Bit. Nom 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 nom. That. Nom 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 nom. All the cookies for me. Thank you, little chef. Quick, we got to make more cookies for you. And for me, some more cookies. Okay, me start word. L. G. Oh boy, let's see what you got. Lag. Lag. Oh, me no can wait. It's Cookie Miracle. It lag. This cookie lag behind. Come on, keep up, Cookie, keep up. This dough. Hear me go. L. G. Now add you letter. Lug. Lug. That's terrific mixing. It work. It lug. This cookie heavy. It's hard to lug around. Okay, how about this? B. D. Now you. Bud. That's it. It's working. It's beautiful. It bud. Soon that bud turn into a pretty flower cookie. Okay, me start word. B. D. Now you. Bad. Oh, me no can wait. It work. It bad. No such thing as a bad cookie. Yeah, all cookies taste good to me. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Cookies look so yummy. Me no can wait to taste. Oh boy, delicious word cookies, ready to eat. What you doing? Yeah, little taste, please. Lug. Nom 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 nom. Me no can believe this. Me no can bad. Oh, for me? Oh boy, okay. Nom. Bud. Nom. Lag. Nom. Nom. Wow, you such a good sharer, little chef. How about we make more cookies? This dough. Hear me go.
Tap who you want to make cookies with. Chef Cookie Monster or Chef Elmo. Great! Let's get started. First, Chef Elmo will spread out the dough. Now, choose one of the letters and drag it to the dough.